Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Android phone to Windows laptop. To start the process, download the Wi-Fi FTP server app from the Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, open the app and allow the permissions it asks for. On the app's main screen, you'll see the server URL, user ID, and password. These are the details we'll use to connect your phone to your computer. Now, set your phone aside, go to This PC or My Computer on your PC and right-click on a blank space. Then click on Add a Network Location. In the new window that appears, click Next and then click Next again. Now, enter the server URL that you saw in the Wi-Fi FTP server app. Click Next. Uncheck the box if it asks you to log in anonymously and then enter the username from the app. Click Next. Give a name to this network location, it can be anything you like, and then click Finish. Now enter the password provided by the app and you're all done. Your phone is now connected to your computer and you can access all the files on your phone from your PC over Wi-Fi. You can transfer files quickly without using a USB cable. That's it. Thank you for watching.